In this video from shopstuff.co.uk we'll be showing you the Sharp XEA137 cash register. So this machine here is an entry model machine. It has a single thermal printer roll in it. Thermal being important because this gives you the ability to be able to print your shop name, perhaps VAT number if you're VAT registered, your address, your website on the receipt, and also for your categories to also be listed on the thermal printer as well. The machine has a small compact base. So it's smaller than a standard drawer. So if we just put a quick sail through and open the drawer, I'll remove this drawer so that you can see it. So the drawer, as you can see, has catches at the side, allows you to actually remove the drawer so that you can use this at the end of the night. So here you can see that we have a total of 6 coin slots. This whole tray can be removed, and these can actually be taken out as well and moved depending on the denominations that you actually usually carry. 3 note holders, which is usually more than enough for the standard ones, especially as everybody tends to be going credit and debit card these days. So using the machine can be easier. It's a very simple machine. As I said, you can fully program it, and it has the ability as well to be able to print the name on the receipt. So here you can see that we've got Sharp Help printed, the date, the time, the receipt number, and here we've got Department 2 actually printed, which relates to this one here. These categories here, these can be either prefixed with a price. So here you can see I've got Department 1 prefixed, or you can have them open. We've also, when you press the subtotal, we've got the ability to press the cash button, or card, or checks, or you can use both of these for card if you wanted, so MasterCard or Visa card, should you require it. As you can see, this is currently set onto receipt mode, so therefore it's issuing a receipt with every sale. We can actually have the ability on this machine as well to turn the receipt off, so the machine will now work silently and not print a receipt. If a customer then asks for a receipt after, you can simply press the receipt button here, and the receipt is printed. As standard, it has all the standard reports, so we can simply turn the key around to the Z position, which is the end of day report, press the cash button, and the report is generated. The report generated will give you the breakdown of each department that's set into the machine and how and when the money was taken. So for example here we've got cash and so on. On the side of the machine here, which you can't actually see, is an SD card slot. So this gives you the ability to be able to put this information onto an SD card, and then you can load that into Excel. So it's a very simple process. Into the program position, run some codes through, and it gets put onto the card. Take the card out, put it on your PC, and you can save that data if you want to. So all in all, a great basic machine. It has 8 departments as standard, so categories. So this allows you to basically do things like VAT split if you're VAT registered. So you can have VATable products in 1 and non-VATable products in 2. But you've actually got the ability to have up to 8 because you've got the shift button here. So by pressing shift and then 3, gives you the category 7 put here. Also features PLUs. So a PLU is a product. So for example, if you only had, say for example, 20 products, rather than actually entering the pricing manually, you can have codes for everything that will be pre-programmed. So you could simply press 14 for 14 PLU, press the PLU button, and that individual item will be sold, and it would be linked into one of your categories. Thank you for watching our video from shopstuff.co.uk.